as a conditioner after you shampoo your hair. It protects your hair and is a better option than oil. Conditioners neutralize electrical charge in the hair shaft and help in detangling. Conditioners also improve shine to some extent, repair minor frays in the hair shaft. Conditioning like hydrolyzed protein or silicones are added to increase manageability and shine in the hair. Now it's time for wellness segment. This time I'll show you some more steps in Zumba to stay fit all the time. Have a look.
La nena baila de booming everything. Si eres latina, brinquita, mami, zumba all the way. Si eres from USA, do it the same way. Zumba, que yo te traigo la rumba. Goza, déjate llevar por la salsa. fuerte. Vamos a empezar la danza, así que punto y aparte. Que empiece la sesión para que te quite la cosquilla. Te gusta el ritmo, chiquilla. Te dice no lo dudes, vamos a gozar de ella. Sin mucho apuro, así es que es como lo que no hay ritmo que te quita el estrés. Por lo que vamos a bailar de 1 a 10. Tu ritmo infalible para que mueva los pies. Es un basura de tu cuerpo me aloca. Se nota cuando me duro como roca. Buena vida, mucho feeling, poca ropa. Todo te queda bien y nada explota.
Fitness tip. Zumba always makes an effort to simplify various styles so that everyone can do them. Thus, these steps are not traditional belly dance but a sort of modified form that everyone can enjoy. This is one of the reasons for the popularity of this program. There are so many styles of dance and music to incorporate that it's easy to keep your workout fresh. There's always something new to learn. And with this, I come to an end of this episode. Stay tuned to Fashionista to know more in fashion and to have that beautiful body. Yeah, if you have any queries or suggestions, please write into me at www.prudentmedia.in or SMS me on Goy FB on 59898. Till then, take care and mwah.